So what's the setup for an ineffective data scientist? Let me start with my local environment, then I'll move to the internet resources I use. On my local machine, the IDE I like to use on a day-to-day basis is VSCode. Ask me in 18 months, I'll probably be using something else, but for now, this makes me very happy for running a lot of my Python notebooks. You can see here, I have one of my kind of demo notebooks all set up. I have an untitled one. I'm doing some work. I need to name that and organize that appropriately. A key for when I'm using Python on my local machine, always use some type of virtual private environments. I'm a fan of Conda private environments, but what it allows me to do is have a number of different Python installations and not mess with the base installation at all. You don't want to do that. Python dependencies are a pain. This is a key to kind of having your machine work locally very well. I like using R, so I always have Rstudio set up and running in my environment as well. You can see here I was doing some work on some NFL packages, also untitled, that I need to also save as well. Let's talk about some online resources you can use. My go-to tool for online is using Google Colab. You can see here I have a bunch of notebooks here that I have for Google Colab because I use Google Colab all the time. I can store things in my Google Drive. I can pull this up. I have access to really high, RAM, like 32 gig environments if I need to. I can, of course, take advantage of connecting to GPUs, which is the main reason I use it. I often pay for the $10 a month package because that gives you one tier above on the Google Pro. You can see I'm a kind of a Google Pro person over here. That's what I recommend. It makes life so much easier. The next online tool I like to recommend to people is DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean allows anybody to get a web server, a web instance up and running very quickly, very cheaply. If you take a look at their pricing, they have droplets of virtual machines starting for $4 a month. This is how I first started with setting up my own web server, being able to set up an SSH, setting up my first blog, all on a server that costs just a few dollars a month. Check it out.